The tag says $40, but I got it half price. We'll check out this bargain Polaroid turntable coming up. At ThriftyAV, I love a bargain. I found this Polaroid turntable at Big Lots. Price tag said $40, but they had it half price. Now I've opened this already, so this will not be a true unboxing, but I'm going to open it up again and take a look inside and see what we got. The bag contains a USB style power cable, a pair of RCA cables, a customer service card, and operating instructions. The Polaroid PBT4001 is a suitcase style turntable with built-in speakers. The design is essentially the same as a Crosley Cruiser, and it has the same features as a Crosley Cruiser. In fact, it may be a rebranded version of the same turntable. This turntable has 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78. This turntable runs slightly fast at 33 and a third. It's slightly better at 45, but still slightly fast. This turntable is pretty accurate at 78. For playback of 78, you will need a special stylus that does not come with this turntable. The instruction manual doesn't say what type of needle is on this stylus, but I think it's probably a sapphire needle like the Crosley Cruiser. The tracking force on this turntable is 4.8 grams. The Laserdisc test shows that skating is not an issue with this turntable. I will now play a record using the built-in speakers. This turntable has a thin, tinny sound even at full volume. It does offer line level outputs in the back, so let's see if it sounds better through that. Now I will play the same track with my GLi Pro SL-2500 using a Shure M97XE cartridge. The PBT4001 has Bluetooth, but only as a receiver. It does not transmit audio. Let's see how well the Bluetooth receiver works with the built-in speakers. The Bluetooth actually sounds richer and fuller than vinyl played on this turntable. In conclusion, the PBT4001 is not a high fidelity device, but with its suitcase design and rechargeable battery, it is fun and portable. If you enjoyed this video or any other in the ThriftyAV series, please like and subscribe. Thank you to the patrons of ThriftyAV for supporting my channel, and remember, stay thrifty everyone!